Failure to complete algebra is a barrier to high school graduation and entry to college and the workforce, disproportionately affecting youth from low-income and minority backgrounds. At the same time, the college coursework of elementary school teachers doesn't prepare them to teach the concepts behind mechanical procedures. They project their limited understanding to their students. Bill Johns founded Project Seed to address both of these needs. He chose higher mathematics because it is prestigious and culturally neutral. Students from all backgrounds start on a level playing field and are held in high esteem when they master it. He developed methods that enable both students and teachers to succeed. Project Seed aims to solve both a national and a societal problem by giving students from underrepresented groups a stepping stone to high school and college graduation and a role as a responsible and contributing citizens, particularly in technical fields. We also seek to affect national practices in mathematics education, primarily the way math is introduced to younger students, but also at every level, including colleges and universities. Our goal is to scale up rapidly to reach as many students and train as many teachers as possible across the nation, making students successful in higher mathematics, increasing their life options, and filling a national need for science, mathematics, engineering, and technology graduates. The graduation rate for inner-city students is dismally low, in spite of millions of dollars spent and over 50 years of efforts to raise it. Project Seed, with its dynamic pedagogy, higher mathematics content, and commitment to create success for every student, is one of the rare exceptions that has been successful in achieving its objectives since its inception. Our methods are timeless. Our capacity to incorporate changing practices and to help teachers adjust to change position us at the cutting edge of reform. The effectiveness of Project Seed stems from its basic components: our instructors, curriculum, and teaching method, along with a commitment to excellence and extensive internal quality control. Each week, our mathematics specialists, no matter how experienced, observe and critique each other's classes and participate in several after-hours workshops on curriculum and methodology, plus current national and international movements in education, science, and technology. They also meet frequently with classroom teachers in order to provide them customized support. Project Seed's success in reaching its goals have been demonstrated repeatedly. For students, we use frequent internal monitoring of classes, as well as state and local tests and exams in higher mathematics as metrics. Our success with teachers is measured through direct classroom observations, as well as surveys of teachers and principals. University faculty frequently report to us on their application of Project Seed strategies to their teaching. One of the little-known facts about Project Seed is the impact we have had on the teaching of mathematics at all levels. In addition to the elementary and middle school teachers we have trained, former Seed instructors continue to use our Socratic discovery-based pedagogy at institutions from elementary schools through universities. They have revitalized the teaching of college math courses. They incorporate our techniques into training for pre-service and in-service teachers. Inspired by the brilliance of young Seed students, many college mathematics professors changed their focus to study and promote equity in mathematics education. Among our accomplishments, Project Seed's positive impact on tens of thousands of students, thousands of teachers, and hundreds of university faculty stands paramount. Our success has been acknowledged in many ways. On the strength of its external evaluations, Project SEED was awarded Developer Demonstrator status by the U.S. Department of Education. Project SEED received the highest rank in a Blue Ribbon Panel report to Congress on best practices in K-12 education to increase the number of women and minorities in science and engineering. Project SEED has been featured in many scholarly books as a yardstick model of successful practices in education. There have been hundreds of newspapers, magazines, and broadcast stories about Project SEED. Project SEED has been invited to present and testify in front of both the U.S. House and the U.S. Senate, as well as many state legislators, local governments, and national and local conferences. Our challenge is to gain more access to those who desperately seek solutions to problems we can solve so we can fully inform them about the value of our work. Whenever decision makers in education, industry, and government are able to see and learn about the many facets of our comprehensive program, they understand the value of our program and consequently support its funding and implementation. Too often, though, and they try to compare us to single-purpose intervention or professional development programs, ending up with a distorted view of the powerful impact Project SEED can have. Another challenge is to have a stable and predictable funding stream to enable us to maintain our most valuable asset, our staff of mathematics specialists who complete extensive training in our methods throughout their tenure with Project SEED. Additional resources would enable Project SEED to reach more students and teachers, as well as build and maintain the cadre of trained mathematics specialists that will be able to respond more quickly to the many requests we receive from school districts. Additional resources would help increase our impact by allowing us to inform more school districts, universities, corporations, and foundations, as well as national, state, and local decision makers about our work. We're interested in establishing a center at which K-12 teachers and university faculty can be trained in Project SEED's Socratic pedagogy, as well as effective curriculum development and design. At the same time, we would like to expand our work to improve the teaching of mathematics at the community college and university level. In particular, we believe our methods would improve the ability of college instructors to help students in entry-level math courses be more successful.